Keen to the side. Step up, Mr. Sood.
Staff at Excel is well managed. They are sound professionals. I had a boating accident on Memorial Day. And during my recovery, I came to Excel.
Being able to see patients, especially him with such a complex case, come here and be able to walk and be able to talk, and it reminds me why I became a nurse.
I got up by myself, I walked by myself. Progress was very rapid.
Great. One step at a time. Come down.
When I came, I could not speak. There was a button put in my throat.
So Mr. Sood came to us about 7 days ago with a tracheotomy, which is basically a cannula in your neck to help you breathe. And within 7 days, we were able to decannulate him, which is also removing it, and now he can breathe on his own and talk freely.
Being able to speak again gave me a lot of confidence. Every day, I'm able to speak better. I am getting stronger. My muscles in legs, thighs, shoulders, and arms have regained strength. Excel staff has been very helpful, very open-minded, listening and doing what it needs.